Hey, hello guys, welcome back to High Tech Institution video series. So now we are going to talk about Python course content. So here we are going to talk about what are the things we are going to cover in our entire throughout Python journey. So after listening this video, if you are interested in joining Python course, I request any one of this contact number. You may have to reach any one of this contact number. So we'll discuss further. Okay, let me start into the video. So if you would see, if you want to join Python, first of all, I need to know what is meant by Python. Okay, Python in the sense one of the programming language widely using in every platform. And recent days, if you guys are noticing, right? So Python is growing day by day, right? So earlier days there were a most demand for the programming language called .NET, Java, something like that. But nowadays people are started looking into the programming language called Python. Why? It is complete open source and object oriented programming language. That is one of the main intention to study Python. So there are lot many advantages are there in terms of talking Python. So as usual, comparing like Java and .NET, it is also supports web application, console applications, OOPS concepts, and easy to learn. Okay, these are general advantage. But beyond that, there are some detailed information there and behind Python. What it is means, there are some 4 different technology which going to rule our entire IT environment. Like if I say big data, cloud computing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, these are the very big technology which are in future, in near future, it going to overcome all other technology. So big data in the sense data research and analytics, processing our data. So there in terms of processing any kind of data, you need to know the Python. Okay, it's one of the very advantage if you knows Python. So cloud computing, you guys may aware and heard about AWS, Azure, GCP. In these kind of cloud computing platform, in terms of automating anything in cloud, so they are preferring Python. Okay. After that, machine learning, artificial intelligence are complete new trend and new technology, I can say. So these kind of we are programming something to the machine, and machine will be acting like the human. So this kind of artificial intelligence, machine learning and all, they prefer Python. So until if you knows Python, you may be you will be able to do all the stuff. Okay, it's not like Java, .NET, there will be some boundary, right? We can do this fixed kind of task, but in Python it's complete open. You can do whatever, even in growing technology, upcoming technology. This is the difference and advantages of Python when we are comparing with other programming languages. Okay, I hope you got somewhat idea about Python. So now you guys may think, once you decided to learn Python, you may get options from different organization. Like see, some person will offer you can join Python here. Some of them will tell you can join Python here, and you may find many YouTube videos in online itself. So why I should prefer High Tech Institution? What's special here? That only in terms of clearing all your confusion, I'm explaining these things. If you are joining Python course with High Tech Institution, you need not to worry. It's the training completely going to be like real-time explanation. If you are being part of any cloud project, what are the things you will be you will be getting it from your client, what input you will receive. If you are being part of any Python developer, what are the input you will receive, how you have to treat that request, how much time you can consume, if any problems comes, how you have to fix, what is the time range for fixing those problems, and meeting, how I'm going to develop something, how I have to plan before going for development, everything A to Z. These are the knowledge only you will get if you are being part of cloud project. Then only you'll came to know about these things. But if you are joining a Python course with High Tech Institution, we are taking session in such a way, we will be telling you how the inputs are coming from client, how we have to react, everything during a training itself we'll be covering. That is one of the topmost advantage while comparing other institution with the High Tech Institution. Okay, there are some other benefits are there. One is time flexibility. You are working in rotational shift, or you are working in somewhere, or you are preferring weekend session or weekday session. So whatever time flexibility we have, we will be arranging a training to you guys. So you need not to worry about that timing flexibilities and all. And fees also you can pay through installment. We support online, net banking, various modes are there. You can pay before completing the course. You can take 2 or 3 installment to complete your payment. And referral bonus, if you refer your colleagues or friends or family person, we'll be giving you some negotiation, 1000 rupees from your amount. So referral bonus available. Whenever I am taking any specific topic to you as a training, same day I'll be giving you the task. So you have to practice the task so that you'll get more and more hands-on. And every weekend you'll be having a task. Monday to Friday, whatever I completed, I'll make that as a task and I'll give it to you. And overall task. At the end of the training, we'll be giving you the overall task, which includes the day one when you started and the last day. Whatever you discussed, it will include all these things. Okay, and after that you will be getting the course completion certificate. That's fine. Let me give you the introduction about my remaining stuffs. See here, I just open our website, which is hitechins.in. You may have to browse. If you are browsing now, you will be getting all the course detail, whatever we are offering. So if you go there and click here to view syllabus, you will be able to see our entire syllabuses. Okay, when you have time, please have a look on it. But I told you, no, here you will be getting real-time projects and documents and project task, everything. See here, we are categorized like PPT, everything available here, and study document, everything will be available here. Everything is our own official document. We'll be sharing you, the guy only who's enrolling with us, and task on every weekly basis. Daily bias task is somewhat different. This is weekly based task. Registration page you need to create using Tkinter. So somewhat the task will be something related to this. You'll be getting every week, you'll be getting overall task. After that, pre and post assessment questions. Day one will be giving you one question, at the day last will giving you the question. So you will be feel the difference of gaining a knowledge, and interview question, everything. Okay. So these are the advantage if you are being part of Python training in high-tech institution. After that, there are another option is available, which is online training. You are attending training from some other place, like I am attending a training from other place like Delhi or out of India. So you no need to worry. You can join us through online training anywhere you are in the world. You just need a laptop and internet connection. You'll be able to attend the session. Okay, same live and interactive session you'll be able to get. So there are some different attending classroom training and online training. You'll be getting free concession in online training if you picks. And now everyone got idea what is meant by Python and how effective you are going to be join the Python course with Hitech. These are the things you will be getting at the end of the training. Will help you to update your resume, will help you in terms of interview and job details, everything, and we will be sharing you the interview experience and interview questions, expected question, how we have to prepare for the interview, and study videos and documentation, everything will be sharing you at the end of the training. Okay, so that's fine, guys. So what else? Need not to think else, right? So we are the best, like we'll be giving you and we'll be ensuring you to give the best training to you, real time basis, like in project oriented. So hope this is informative to you. If you are ready to join the course, please call any one of this number. So your admission form can be filled it here. And this is a WhatsApp Learning Academy group. This is the group we are dedicatedly maintaining for the technical purpose. Daily basis you'll be getting job notice and interview questions, documentation, study videos, everything. We are dedicatedly using that group for a technical purpose. Ask your trainer to join in that group, okay, and get benefits. Thanks for watching this video. If you are okay with that, you are comfortable with that, please subscribe our channel so that regular basis we are updating the video. You will be notified, and you will have technical knowledge in every technologies because we are updating the videos from all the technologies. So subscribe this channel, share with your friends. Thank you.